All right, folks, welcome to open house for HL2 Analysis, parents and students. Um, Kind of the objectives for this particular open house um, chat are to tell you a little bit about myself, Mr. Swanson, to go through a little bit about what the course is about, and to talk about where to find things on Schoology and how to find me, I guess, if you have any questions or concerns. So let's get right down to it. Um, that's me, Mr. Swanson. I'm a local guy. I love the city of Cottage Grove. I've grown up here. Um, I've lived here my entire life. I love the city. I love the town. I love working here. I've worked here for almost 15 years. I graduated from Park High School in the 1990s. I went to the University of Minnesota Twin Cities College of Science and Engineering. It wasn't that when I went there back in the 90s. It was the Institute of Technology, but I'm a local guy. Many people will see me around town running, working out, eating wings, watching baseball. Those are kind of a few things that I like to do. I'm a math nerd. I like to study math in my spare time, and I enjoy doing it. So, um, math is kind of a hobby for me. Um, I just enjoy reading. I enjoy doing it. It's a passion. So if you don't enjoy what you're gonna do, stop doing it. Do something else. For me, I love doing math and I love working with kids and I like teaching them math. So just crazy how things turn out. So some of the things that I do as far as that, um, or if your son or daughter is in the high school math league, I do write questions for that, and I've been doing that for a couple of years now. ACT, I coordinate the ACT at Park High School. So if you have any questions in regards to that, I know a lot about it because I've been doing it for the past 11 years. ACT has changed quite a bit in the past year or two. Now they're offering it online, and they're offering certain sections you can retake. But the main thing is if you have any questions, let me know. Uh, I do have one godchild, Haley. She's now in eighth grade. She goes to Altman Junior High, or middle school, I guess. And I have one cat, Delta, math inspired. Uh, guess off my calculus days. Couple things that your son or daughter are going to need for class: an iPad charged. So if they're going through and they're doing things at nights and maybe they're watching videos or they're doing homework, just make sure that you plug it in at night when you go to bed, students. Just have them plugged in. You're usually pretty good on getting by with about 50 to 60% um, battery power for the day. It's not very long, but you should have it charged throughout the day. A pen or pencil is preferred in the class if you're doing things on paper. I'm old school, so yeah, some things might be better on paper. I'm not going to collect them, but I will. I have no problems with that. A notebook is always a good idea for notes, and you can get those at Target or Walmart for, I don't know, maybe 50 cents or 75 cents or whatever they go for now. Scientific calculator is always a good thing for this class now that you're uh, in one of the highest math classes that we offer. You're going to need a TI-83 or TI-84. You can also get a Casio for 50 bucks. Some people get these things off the internet, Craigslist or eBay. You could probably get them for 50 bucks instead of the 100 bucks. So that's always an option as well. Guidelines for you: um, show up, show up to class, be there. Some students during this hybrid slash VLA, they're like, their students are asking me, should I show up on a regular basis? I had a student ask me that today, and I said, I'm going to tell you folks, for an HL class, high level class, you guys are the creme de la creme, right? And so I I expect you to show up, be on time, be there, be ready. So if you're at home, um, be logged on to Google Meet, where I will be live every day from 11, I guess 25 to 12:55. All right, and just show up. Just show up and be there. Um, you won't need any cell phones if you're going to be in class. Just turn them off, put them on mute, put them on vibrate or whatever. Just put them away, and you won't need them. And if it's a super important thing, um, people can wait a little bit of time to get a hold of you. It's not that much of an emergency. If it's that much of an emergency, they should call an emergency 911. Um, Other than that, I think the best thing for you to do nowadays is to show good character, work hard, and to be good to one another. Um, there's two types of people in this world. There are people who are gifted, and there are people who are smart. And in this class, if you make the smart choices right here, you're going to be all right. Gifted is great. Gifted is a good thing. I have nothing against gifted. I think it's a great thing. But I want your son or daughter to know how to work and to be good people, right? Because those are the two qualities that are going to be important for them when they work in this world, right? And they interact with others. So if they can do that, I don't care if they're listed gifted or not gifted or whatever. Um, you just got to make smart choices. Got to be wise. Okay. Additional school guidelines. If your child is in school, um, since I will be teaching virtually this year, that'll be over the computer. I will be available each day in class, but there will be a supervising teacher there to kind of look over students in class. As far as bathroom passes and such go, they'll pass out the bathroom passes, and um, that's it. They'll pass them out. Make sure that you go to the bathroom when you need to do that. And there's no need for any bags or any cell phones like that in the bathroom. You're not going on a hiking trip. Um, the grade in this class is going to be based off of the following: 10% formative assignments, maybe a quiz here and there. Summative, 90% is going to be based off of exams. You should expect probably 3, maybe 4 in this trimester. So expect that. I'll give usually about, I would say about 3 or 4 or 5 days, probably about 4 or 5 days notice before exams. I'm not going to tell students 2 days before. Usually about a week's notice is pretty good as far as when your next exam is going to be. Daily routine. Since I will be teaching virtually, your son or daughter may be in class or may be VLA. It doesn't matter which one they are. I'm going to treat them both the same. I'm going to be available via Google Meet every day, Monday through Friday, for your child. Okay? It doesn't matter how they're learning or where they're learning from. Okay? I'm going to teach them. And I'm going to be on Google Meet live every single day. Third period from 11:25 to 12:55. Okay? Students who are in class will see me live on Google Meet. Students who are at home can also access me live via the Google Meet link in Schoology. If for whatever reason your son or daughter is not able to meet with me that particular period or log in, I do have a pre-recorded lesson. Okay, they should be in there. Okay, your son or daughter is your son or daughter is an excellent student, so they should be there unless they're sick or something's going on. I expect them to be there, and ready to learn. Okay. What does my Schoology page look like? It's broken down week by week. For students, there'll be a pre-recorded lesson, and there'll be an attendance question for the students to fill out. I'm going to be available live each day. I'm also going to be available from 2:45 to 3:30 live for office hours. So if you have any questions, let me know. Where to find the course material? In my class, it'll be broken down the following. Week by week, there'll be a pre-recorded video and an attendance question. All assignments you should be worked on that day, but I'm going to collect them at the end of the unit. Attendance question has to be filled out that day. Okay? If you fill it out that day, I mark you present, and if you don't, then I mark you absent. Um, Other than that, how do I get in contact with Mr. Swanson? Um, Google Meet Live will see me presenting live. I can be reached by email. Um, Phone's not really a good thing for me this trimester. If need be, I can maybe work that out, but probably best via email. Office hours are from 2:45 to 3:30, and appointments can be made with me at any time. Um, if you need to. If you're going through and you're doing something after school until 4:30, let me know, and I could probably meet with you and Google Meet at that particular time if you need to. Just give me time and let me know what you need from me. Other than that, I want to make sure that I'm in constant communication with you folks and that you get all of your questions answered, and that I make it a good experience for you. My main thing is that you learn the mathematics, and that I can make you a little bit better citizen, right? You learn a little bit about what math is and how to go about doing that in today's world. So, again, if you have any questions or concerns, let me know. But other than that, take it easy and take care. Bye.